Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the Teams app after installation. This saves time versus navigating app stores now. Tap Sign Up or Sign In and choose Create One if you need a new Microsoft account. Use your work or school email for organizational features or a personal email to start quickly. Once done, follow the verification prompt. Microsoft sends a code to your email or phone. Enter it to prove identity, and make sure notifications are allowed so chat and call alerts reach you. After verification, you'll create a display name and secure password. This helps teammates find you and protects your account. Next, review permissions. Grant microphone and camera access for calls and contacts to sync colleagues, denying them limits features. Once configured, Teams may offer to add your organization. Accept if this is a work account so Teams can load channels and calendar. If you use a personal account, skip organization setup and proceed to customize notifications and status. Finish by testing. Start or join a meeting to check audio, video, and chat. This validates permissions and network stability. Customize your profile photo and status so coworkers recognize you, and sync the mobile calendar to see meetings. If something goes wrong, first restart the app and your phone. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is on and that app permissions aren't blocked. If issues persist, sign out and back, in or delete, and reinstall the app to reset corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.